Hey everyone, welcome back. Forgot your Lyft password or can't log in with email and password? Here's exactly how to reset it under a minute. And after this, you can switch to a phone number login so you never need a password again. Open the Lyft app and then tap on the login screen and then tap login. On the next screen, it will ask for your phone number. Look for the option that says login with email at the bottom. Once you find it, tap that, enter your email address, and tap next. On the password screen, you'll see a forgot password link. Tap it, and Lyft will send a password reset link to that email address. Open your email inbox, and there, if you do not see it, then go ahead and check in your spam folders because messages sometimes get filtered there. Open email from Lyft and then tap reset password button. You will be taken to the page where you type your new password. Make it something strong with letters and numbers. Type it again to confirm and tap save. Your password is now updated. Lyft logs you in automatically. Going forward, you can just tap login and use your phone number and text code instead of ever typing your password again. So all you've got to do is tap login with email, tap forgot password and check your email for the reset link. Create your password and done. Subscribe for more Lyft guides.